Alright guys, welcome to my new channel. I thought I would go over some stocks I thought were good looks for tomorrow, what the market's looking like, and some possible plays for tomorrow. Now remember, this is just my opinion. I have been trading for close to 5 years now. Well, let me think. I've been actively trading for 4 years now. So quite a while. I know how markets move. I've been through a couple different types of markets. I went through, I would say, well, most people would say one of the most bullish markets in a while, from here to here. Now let me just clear this. Alright, let's look at the S&P. I guess the SPY. Okay, so this is what I see here. Now, today is June 29th at 10:51 p.m. Tomorrow will be June 30th. Oh, June 30th. And there's some reports coming out as of, tonight, that there's a new type of swine flu, influenza, and it could cause a pandemic coming out of China. Shocker. Boeing was tremendous today. It pulled the whole market up. Come on. Let's see the movement. When did I draw this? I drew this line a while back. I knew 185 would be a big price, and it gapped right through. So, I don't know, it's looking pretty good for Boeing for a little while. What else is good? Beyond Meat. Okay. Beyond Meat, sorry, these drawings just start to add up on my screen. I'll go back and draw different fucking lines all the time. Okay, Boeing, Beyond. Beyond is one I wanted to talk about. Now, this, to me, is establishing a brand new support after pushing through resistance. Alright, so one thing I do want to point out is this trend line. Well, I guess there's no trend line. I don't know, this looks like a good dip buy to me, but let's see what happens tomorrow. Obviously we're not going to buy into this yet. We got to see what happens after this, but this looks like buyers are starting to take over a little bit. I would jump in if we see a green candle here. I would definitely play that for sure. But my big one for tomorrow was Tesla. Now, I was watching this trend line for a while, but I just think like this new support has just been holding so well. I mean, it got the first gap right through there. I mean, it flew through. Came back down, and I thought maybe we'd get a double top here and here, but nothing. I mean, I got chewed out of the market this day with this bullish candle, and then it just went sideways, which the market would do, and nothing. But I was waiting to see what would happen after this red candle, because it had dipped below this trend line, and today we got just a really beautiful bullish candle. And if I delete this trend line, we see we see a small ascending triangle, but it looks really good to me. We could see maybe a gap up tomorrow. I don't know, but we're definitely going to look to play it tomorrow. Right at 8:30, see what happens. It's up. I mean, it closed strong. It was pretty weak throughout the day. It even was down almost 2% by 9:30-ish. And then the rest of the day just climbed up 7% from there. So this is my big one for tomorrow. Let's see, what else do we got? 5-9. This is another good one. Then we found the range. This is a great range here. We got this little channel meets here. That's a big sign of a reversal. Couldn't be, but we got the MACD up here crossing up. RSI is looking good. I wish I could pull up some Bollinger Bands, but we don't want to do that right now. This is a good one to watch. Watch the bounce, play the bounce, or look for a gap up, gap through. Quick little play. Lots of volume. Lots of volume. We're going to see who starts to take over here, the buyers or the sellers. This one, Southwest Airlines. I was listening to the news today. You know the news. Can't always trust it. It's mostly for entertainment. But they were looking at the balance sheet of Southwest Airlines, talking about how they're the most domestic airline. And their balance sheet looks really good. I took a look at their balance sheet as well. But, man, this looks really good. You could see sort of a flag pattern taking over. See what happens. See if it pushes through one more day. But, wow, we could really see this come all the way up to 41. Make a quick play on there. We got the MACD coming up. The RSI is looking really good. However, the news did come out. I mean, we hit the peak back in, what was it, April, and then we flattened the curve. Everyone was talking about flattening the curve. Then we had that month of Black Lives Matter. It's almost like Corona didn't even happen. And here we are again, Texas, just blowing up with Corona. What else? Arizona. I think states are going to start to shut down again, and we really got to see how this is going to affect the market. Well, we've been hearing Trump say, nope, we're going to stay open, we're going to stay open, we're going to stay open. And I could see him keeping his word just to fucking beef up the stock market. Oh, he jizzed his pants when he was talking about how the market came back so hard. But, I mean, what are you going to do? I mean, can we really say that stocks are overbought right now? I mean, other than Apple and those tech companies. I mean, look at this. This is just absolutely insane. But remember, guys, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent, okay? So, I mean, you just can't go against the trend. So, you may be bearish, but you just can't go against the trend until there's a new trend, guys. So, well, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I just wanted to make this video. This is my first video analyzing stocks. I mean, this is what I look at every night. I use a lot of FinViz. Hopefully I'll go more in depth. I just figured I'd keep it a little bit, I don't know, more general. Remember, these are just my opinions, but hopefully you guys see some of the things I see. And leave some comments below. I'd love to be contradicted. I mean, we need to see both sides of every trade, right? Can't get tunnel vision. So we're trying to make money here, guys. So leave a like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think. I might make some more of these videos. See you guys.